Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you full specifications of Realme 7 Pro. It has storage of 128 GB with 6 GB, 8 GB RAM. Rear camera 64 MP plus 8 MP plus 2 MP plus 2 MP. Front camera 32 MP. It operates with Android 10 with Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G. Processor has octa-core with 2.3 GHz clock speed. It has Full HD plus AMOLED display with 16.7 colors. It comes with 16.26 centimeters, 6.4 inch with 2400 x 1080 pixels. It comes in Full HD plus display. GPU Adreno 618. Dimension 74.3 mm x 160.9 mm x 8.7 mm. Weight 182 G. Network type 4G VoLTE, 4G, 3G, 2G. Networks 4G VoLTE, 4G LTE, UCMA, GSM. Battery capacity 4500 mAh lithium-ion battery. It comes in mirror silver, mirror blue. The phone has magnetic induction sensor, light sensor, proximity sensor, acceleration sensor, gyrometer. The box comes with handset, adapter, USB cable, SIM card tool, screen protect film, 2D protective film, case, transparent TPU shell, booklet with warranty card, quick guide. Thanks for watching. Please like and share. And don't forget to subscribe.